Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got one beautiful 69 Chevelle. There's a 427 under the hood. She's a Yenko clone and she is looking sweet, man. That red paint is popping off of that thing, looking absolutely beautiful. We got great looking chrome hair, great looking grille, clearance lights, headlights look awesome. And I tell you, I just absolutely love this color red. It is popping, man. I tell you, it looks like it's been electrified. Looking sweet. Got a killer stance on it. Looks like it's being launched right off the drag strip right now, man. Looking beautiful. That white stripe going down the side, also really a beautiful accent. She is beautiful. Then of course that pearl white interior. Man, you want to talk about sharp. We're going to get the door open here in a second and check that out. The Yenko back here on this white stripe, just looking sweet as can be. I tell you, take this car anywhere, it is going to draw a crowd, guaranteed. Door panel looks like it's brand new. The carpeting's looking great. Center console with that 4-speed shifter in there. We do have seat belts in the back. Back seat looks like it's brand new. Headliner looks like it's brand new. Package tray looks brand new. All the trims looking sweet. She is a beauty. We got the tack mounted there on a steering column, looking sweet. The whole dash is in beautiful shape. It looks like it's got the stock radio in there. Of course, I wouldn't even touch the radio. I'd be listening to the exhaust in this baby. That big block 427 making some tunes. Now we'll pop open the trunk and take a look in there too. Whenever you're looking at any car of this age, the trunk is one of the telltale signs to tell what kind of condition the car is in. Because everybody knows these trunks used to leak. All you had is this one little rubber gasket here and maybe some dirt or grime get down in there. Look at that trunk floor. Absolutely beautiful. That wheel well looks good. Again, that's the thing you need to look at on every car, those wheel wells, the back sides of the quarters. Now we do have a spare in here. It looks like the jack and lug wrench is in there also. Bottom side of the deck lid's all painted up nice, looking sweet. And another thing you want to check is this back lip here, because that water would roll down and roll underneath the edge and rot that out. This one's looking beautiful. All things you need to look at on every car. You can see also the chrome on the tail lights. That's one of the first things to go on those too. Then the chrome on the deck lid, especially like here where the water would come down and drip on there. A lot of times there'd be a spot right there. Now look down the side of this thing, man. That white stripe with the Yenko in it, just looking absolutely gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Chevelle, so you know we did our homework and checked it out before we laid out our money. Then we put the cars up on the rack and inspect them and do a video and take pictures of them so we can show you and tell you exactly what's going on with this vehicle. All right, we're inside the Chevelle now, and unfortunately it is nasty outside, so we're not driving this rotisserie restored car outside in the nasty weather. But as you can see here on the dash, everything looks great. It does have the original radio in it, so if you're a radio guy, you might want to replace it with a retro sound. It does have a 3-pack of gauges under the dash. It's got the tack up here on the steering wheel. Everything on the dash is in great shape for being from 1969. The dash pad itself, some beautiful shape. And we can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. So you just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. We can also help out with financing. Now we're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out just how beautiful the bottom side is also. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now, and man, it is pretty under here. You can see the whole bottom side of the car is painted red. The frame's painted black. The gas tank's got a great looking paint job on it. That 12-bolt rear end has got a chrome cover on it. We got a 410 gear in there, and it is Posi. You can see the brand new exhaust, the brand new shocks, the brand new hardware. It looks like it's got brand new brake drums on it. And the guys here at Vanguard will pull the brakes apart and make sure they're all in good working order and installed correctly. We got a sway bar here. Looks like it's got a new fuel line, new parking brake cable, new brake line going front to back. The floorboards are all painted up and looking sweet. Frames all painted front to back. All the bushings look like they've been replaced. We got the 4-speed transmission that would have been similar to what would have been in this car originally. The stock appearing bell housing, the stock appearing clutch linkage. It's got aftermarket jet coated headers. Looks like we got new shocks up front. Looks like we got new new bushings there in the sway bar, and the ball joints look like they're new. Backing plates are all painted up, looking good. We got disc brakes up front. We got drum brakes in the back. Big sway bar up front here. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support here all looks good. The back side of the bumper looks like it's just as clean as the front side. All looking sweet. Now we got a good looking set of wheels here. These are American Racing wheels with some BFGs. Two 35/70 15s, and then this rocker panel, look at that, look at the paint on that. I always rub my hand on the back of the rocker panel, make sure it's in nice, smooth, good shape. You can also see that the pinch weld there looks good. Now out back here, we've got a little more rubber on the road because that's where the horsepower meets the road. And we've got two 75/60 15s back here. And you can also see that the wheel well's all nice and clean, and that wheel lip molding is also brand new. Well, let's lower this baby down and take a look at the 427 under the hood. All right, we're under the hood, and it looks beautiful under here, man. Look at this. All the red paint, the black paint, the chrome, the aluminum intake, power brakes, power steering. The inner wheelhouses are all painted up, looking good. She is a beauty. Now this is a 454 block, but the previous owner tells us it is 427 cubic inches. It's got a 750 4-barrel carburetor on it. Looks like it's dual feed. It's a Holley for sure. It also looks like it is a mechanical secondary setup there. You can see it's got the GM hoses on it. We got some chrome brackets here. We got chrome cover here on the radiator. Everything looking sweet under here, guys. What else do we see? We got new insulation here, the paint on the bottom side of the hood looking good, and we have this old style battery in here also. It's just the top that makes it look like old style. And then we have the shutoff there for the negative battery cable. So give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.